Hello traders, today is Monday, March 6th. We're going to look at the AutoPilot trading system. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So when you look here at the settings for the AutoPilot trading system, what we're looking at is whether or not the market's a little bit slower, choppy. So I'm going to set this here and change the break even and the trailing stop to 7 ticks and 8 ticks. And that's basically all I'm going to do. The defaulted settings will work just fine. I'm going to make this $750 for the day or $1,000 loss for the day. These are called daily limits. The daily limits allow you to stop trading after a certain amount of money either has been lost or has been made for the day. I'm going to activate this and let's take a look here. It's about 11 o'clock. So all right, what we're seeing now are the signals that generated before we turned on the system. So the short entry and the cover to go long, that trade there was successful, but we weren't in the market at that time. We're waiting for a new fresh signal from the AutoPilot as opposed to just jumping in and activating the system and going in on the latest signal. I waited until we were flat, which we are currently, and then a new signal is now being generated in order to go long or to go short. Now this doesn't mean that we're going to go long or short immediately. We have to let the price either go up or go down to get us filled. There's another thing here. If we're not filled on this specific candle, which is posted at 11:34, we're going to instead wait and it's going to recalculate. So every candle, it's being recalculated whether or not this is still a good entry to go long or to go short. So it's not going to stay there on the same candle if we're not filled. That's really what it comes down to. Now let's take a look to see if this is a long or a short, because remember this is a bracket. It's going to take either or.
Submitted.
All right, so this is a short signal, 40.7250. So officially it's a sell. Now based on the settings, if the target isn't met, which is 40.65, it's about 28 tick target. If it's not hit or if it's not tagged within 75 bars, it closes out the position. So there is a type of time element or number of candles, you could say, built into this where we're not going to hold on to a trade all day. We have up to 75 candles to make the target or the stop for that matter. And if it does start going in our favor, what is going to happen is a break even and a trailing stop is going to begin to function, which I think is important because it does protect us in the event the market doesn't hit the target and then reverses. So now in the essence of time, I'm going to speed this up. I'm going to show you what exactly happens as far as the trade management of the trade. If it goes sideways and nothing happens, remember markets don't always trend. If it starts to go sideways in whipsaw action, after a set number of candles, it closes the position. So that's built in. I think I have it set for 75 candles. It will close the position out because it's really a choppy market. If it starts going in our favor, as you can see, it's starting to go down. After it hits 9, 10 ticks, that trailing stop and that break even automatically kick in. So it's completely automatic. It does this.
Order
and
failed.
In this case, it didn't hit the full target, but instead it reversed. So what I want to do next is speed this up. I'm going to show you every single trade that the AutoPilot took from this point forward for the next hour or two, and you decide for yourself if this is the right software for you. It's going to look for a new opportunity, whether it be a long or a short, and it's as the market is moving, it's looking for the market to break out either higher or lower. And if it doesn't, it'll close out the position and it'll restart. So as you can see, we don't have a signal right now, and then as the market starts to move in a direction, it begins to provide these opportunities to go long or to go short. It's continually adjusting them as well. So it's not as if these orders to enter into the market are fixed. They are actually moving along with the price, waiting for that that move to get you either as a reversal or a breakout in the continuation to the long side as it's looking here. But for that, I don't know. We have to see where the price wants us to lead. I'm going to put a little music to it. If you do have any questions, if you're interested in the AutoPilot trading system, it's available as a monthly subscription or as a lifetime license. Visit Daytradetowin.com. Check out the AutoPilot videos. We have a few videos on how this works, and we have live training on Friday. Every Friday we have a live training which all members can attend and ask questions. It's interactive, so it's good that you attend after you purchase the software. Until next time, my name is John Paul. I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit Daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.